everyone, today, we're going to draw two super cute chibi girls together.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions, they cut me down to size.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next drawing.
You don't when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart
Thank you so much for drawing with me today. What cute character should we draw next? And tell me in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.